Sweet. We'll get started on this shift knot by mixing up a little black epoxy to pour a half round. We'll put the mounting hole and threads in that, and we'll put a checkered flag on top. While that cures, we can scoot over to the table saw. We'll cut up a couple of black and white coupons that were cast a couple of days ago in prep for this project. These are going to get cut into 5/8 squares. This is what's going to make up the checkered flag. Here's a quick side note on my table saw habits. As I am a little cavalier with the saw, I cut my right thumb off when I was 13. Once you've cut a digit off, it kind of heightens that blade awareness, if you know what I mean. I don't use a blade guard. You're welcome to comment about that if you like. I'm just bundling these up to make it just 2 cuts on the chop saw. I'm sorting them out, dusting them off. Get them laid out here and see how they're going to look. And things look like they're going to fit together pretty well. Going to go ahead and mix up a little magic sauce and paint them up, glue them up, clamp them up. Looking pretty good. We'll let this cure and put our attentions back on the shift knot base. We'll get it drilled and tapped. I'm a pretty fast tapper. With it tapped, I got it mounted up and I'm just laying the knife on the knob for a moment to get it down to concentric with the mounting hole. And back to the table saw, just getting the checkerboard trimmed up and ready to get mounted to the shift knob base. With the checkerboard trimmed up, I'll mix up a little clear epoxy, brush these things up, and stick them together. Things have cured up nicely. Let's go spin it around for a little while. It's shaped. Let's make it shine. During the wet sand, I'll work from 600 up to 5,000, wrap it up with a little polishing compound. Give you an idea of the time it takes. You're watching this at 40 times speed. Sweet.